Locking a file in Python. I need to lock a file for writing in Python. It will be accessed from multiple Python processes at once. I have found some solutions online, but most fail for my purposes as they are often only Unix-based or Windows-based.
Alright, so I ended up going with the code I wrote here. On my website, link is dead, view on archive.org, also available on GitHub. I can use it in the following fashion.
The other solutions cite a lot of external code bases. If you would prefer to do it yourself, here is some code for a cross-platform solution that uses the respective file locking tools on Linux DOS systems. Now, atomic open can be used in A with block where one would normally use an open statement. Warnings. If running on Windows and Python crashes before exit is called, I'm not sure what the lock behavior would be. The locking provided here is advisory, not absolute. All potentially competing processes must use the atomic open class. As of November 9, 2020, this code only locks writable files on POSIX systems. At some point after the posting and before this date, it became illegal to use the fcntl.lock on read-only files.
There is a cross-platform file locking module here, PortaLocker. Although as Kevin says, writing to a file from multiple processes at once is something you want to avoid if at all possible. If you can shoehorn your problem into a database, you could use SQLite. It supports concurrent access and handles its own locking.
I have been looking at several solutions to do that and my choice has been Oslo.concurrency. It's powerful and relatively well documented. It's based on fasteners. Other solutions? PortaLocker requires Pywin32, which is an exe installation, so not possible via pip. Fasteners, poorly documented. Lockfile, deprecated. Fluffle.lock, NFS safe file locking for POSIX systems. SimpleFlock, last update 2013 to 2007. ZC.lockfile, last update 2016 to 2006, as of 2017 to 2003. Lock_file, last update in 2007 to 10.
I prefer Lockfile, platform-independent file locking.
Subject